So here we have photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Photosystem 2 is the first photosystem. The only reason why it's called 2 is because it was discovered second. This is the light dependent reaction where it obtains light from the sun and uses that energy to be able to process through electrons to be excited in order to create ATP through the process of the electrons getting excited enough to bounce from protein to protein in order to get to ATP synthase, which then processes ATP and photophosphorylates ADP into ATP. This happens, both photosystems happen in the thylakoid space within the inner membrane of the chloroplast, which is the stroma. But photosystem 2 is the photosystem that creates the energy in order to start the light independent reaction, which is photosystem 1, which creates NADPH. So that energy is then transferred over to photosystem 1, and the water that is in the cell is what's it called? Photolysed. The water is split, and the splitting of of water creates the energy needed for NADP to gain a hydrogen. Not only because water is split, it creates the molecule NADPH in order to move on to the Calvin cycle, which is then used to start said cycle.